So here it is, my water feature from 127 West Thompson Avenue. It's a Paul pump. I think it's probably about 100 years old, maybe a hair more. Came from our house that was built in 1940. Apparently, from what I remember or heard, this was taken out of a brewery in St. Paul, Minnesota, put into our house. It's manufactured by the Paul Pump Company out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Took it out when my wife and I were living in the house in 1975. Replaced it with a submersible, saved the parts. Just got it running in 2018 here. So here's my water feature. And there is the output from this pump coming out of the little red pump. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. Pretty cool. I wonder what happens if I pull the handle here. I don't know, pretty bizarre. But there you have it. There is my water feature. Cool, all I can say. Pretty cool. Quieter than I remember it. Well, I guess that's it.